For companies with higher than average order volume, the limitation to invoice only one order at a time was very time-consuming and cumbersome. Now a new feature to ship and invoice multiple orders at once is available. From the Order Entry menu, select Auto-Invoice Orders. From this screen, choose whether orders to invoice will be selected by either the expected ship date or the order date, and also choose one of the predefined date ranges. If selecting orders by date is not a concern, pick the All option. Next, there are 4 fields that you can use for selecting orders to invoice, with associated ranges, including the chosen date above. Selected orders are sorted by the specified fields, so orders sorted earlier will be given priority to shipping over orders that sort later. And what gets shipped is determined by a setting in the company profile for the auto-invoice method. Ship Available will ship only the quantity of items available at that location, backordering the remainder. Complete lines means that only if the entire ordered quantity is available will the item be shipped. It is possible that some items will be shipped and others remain on backorder. Complete orders will only be shipped if every item on the order is fully available. And no restriction will ship the entire order, even if this means that inventory quantity on hand will go negative. No restriction cannot be selected if inventory is set to not allow negative inventory. These settings do not apply for non-stock items or an Adagio inventory is not used. There is another company profile option related to auto-invoicing to skip the credit check and allow shipping orders for customers over their credit limit. The invoice date for created invoices is set here, defaulted from the sign-on date. When miscellaneous charges are on orders, they are only processed if an item on the order is also shipped, so an invoice is not created with just the charge. Also, orders with only miscellaneous charges and no items will always be invoiced. If the company profile has the option enabled to direct print invoices after posting, then settings for printing forms are also shown here. Otherwise, only the order selection information is displayed. All of these settings for order selection and invoice printing will be saved if Remember Form Options is enabled in User Preferences. Or they can also be saved as a favorite for easily loading selection and print criteria. Auto-invoice favorites may be defined with Adagio Console as an automation command for the purpose of generating invoices for selected orders. Printing invoices is not done as part of this command, but rather can be done as a subsequent separate automation command. When the Generate button is clicked, an invoice will be created for every order that has at least one item with quantity shipped. After the auto-invoicing process is complete, results are written to a log file, so you can view and analyze which orders were fully or partially shipped, and also see which orders were not shipped, and why. On the Enter Orders grid, auto-invoicing is also available from a new Invoice button at the right. This performs the same determination for selecting items to ship, for one or multi-selected orders on the grid. Click the Invoice button, and the same settings, apart from order selection, are here. Then invoices can be generated and auto-printed where applicable. Another way to auto-invoice a group of orders is to import the selection of order numbers from a CSV file or Excel spreadsheet. From the File menu and the Import flyout, choose Order List to Invoice. This simple import template allows choosing the source of the order list, and the only field available to import is the order number. When this template is imported, the order number list is determined, and you are asked if you wish to continue with invoicing these orders. Choosing Yes will bring up the Auto Invoice Order screen to allow completing this procedure. For Adagio console users, importing order lists can be automated with a command to import list using template instead of favorite. Then choose the template name to import the associated file. Generate multiple invoices for outstanding orders with a single click, or automate the process. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.